everyone, I am Sajid and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I will show you how to use a single LAN functionality in the iQOO 7 smartphone. Yes friends, there is an option which is available right now in the iQOO 7 device, as you can see. So I'll try to explain you all the tips and tricks and what are the features related to this single LAN uses functionality. So my advice is that don't try to skip the video friends, because I'll try to explain you each and every small point how to use and how much difference will it makes after using this kind of tips and tricks. So try to watch till end of the video, don't try to skip the video friends. Definitely that will be really important for most of the iQOO 7 users. So first, to find the single LAN usage, you need to go to the settings and try to go to the shortcuts and accessibility, and here you can find the option which is called the one LAN usage, as you can see. So here you need to enable this option, which is a single LAN menu button. As you can see, once you enable this option, you'll get this kind of animation, so where you need to swipe. So it takes some time, it will definitely take some time to adjust this kind of mechanism. So once you get adjusted, it will be kind of easy as well for most of the people. So number one tip for most of the people when you're trying to use this kind of one LAN usage is to turn off the auto rotate. If you keep the auto rotate, what happens is that when you try to use the single LAN usage, if you try to rotate the phone will become full screen. Let me show you example. Right now I did open the YouTube. As you can see, the YouTube application completely open in the full screen. You can clearly see that. Let me go back to the single LAN usage. Yes, now let me turn off the auto rotate. Now let me do it. As you can see, now it's not going. So make sure to turn off the auto rotate option in case if it is enabled. That is what the one thing which I thought of mentioning. So as I said, don't try to skip the video. This will be really interesting. So second thing is to change the wallpaper. So if you want to experience the black screen like me, try to change the wallpaper. So whatever the wallpaper you set in the background, that will be completely in the background. As you can see, that is how it works. So right now what I did is I try to open the camera and I try to took the completely dark image. Try to take the completely black image. Try to cover the camera so that will be completely black. As you can see, it's completely black. Now try to set this wallpaper as a home screen wallpaper. As you can see. So in this way you can get the black screen completely wallpaper. Now try to use the single LAN usage. As you can see, now there is no disturbance in the background. So in this way you'll be able to experience this kind of completely really good design. So this is a tip number 2 which I can actually give you for all. And next tip is to resize. So now what is that? Now you can actually resize everything. Let me try to long press. So first you need to long press on this one, and now you can actually move everywhere. So not the resize, sorry. Now you can actually move in any direction you want. Top, bottom, if you want you can place it exactly in the middle. Anywhere you can actually place the single LAN, the complete window. That is fantastic. And resizing option is also available. As you can see, right now you can actually resize how much ever you want. As you can see friends, that's the second thing which I can actually give you for all. As you can see, that's how it works. And so one more tip is that whenever you swipe from the left or right side, there is two different ways friends you can actually do that. So left side or the right side. Let me do from the right side. As you can see, so now the right side I did keep the window to this column. As you can see exactly, let me just close it, and now I will try to open from the left side. So the phone can actually remember two methods. As you can see, this phone can actually remember two sides. So one is to the left side and one is to the right side. So every time you do from the right side, the complete screen will come to the right side. Let me do it properly. It's kind of really odd to get used to, as you can see. So these are the mechanism work. These are really good intelligent mechanism. So try to place the window exactly two positions you can actually experience in this way. That's a really good advantage. And touch to hold and you can drag anywhere you want. As you can see friends, you can use anywhere you want. This is a really good useful feature. So make sure to comment below friends, what are your thoughts about this single LAN usage. Is it useful for you or not? So that's what I want to listen from you, all of the users. So all friends, the phone did not get any kind of slow at all during this process of testing. Everything works completely fine. So during this process of mini window test, so nothing happening at all. And the smallest you can go this much, that's it. I think yeah, this is the smallest you can go, not more than that. That's the one thing which I thought of mentioning as well. So thank you friends for watching this video, and don't forget to check the links in description for more details. And very soon I'll be coming up with another video on the tips and tricks part 3 as well. So make sure to stay tuned for those videos as well. And thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video friends. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Bye.